City animals. Focus question. How do animals live in the city? Animals live in the city by their adaptations to the city. Many people live in cities. Many kinds of animals live in cities too. Mice live in cities. They eat food people throw away. Geese and ducks live in cities. They swim in ponds and in parks. Squirrels live in cities. Squirrels make nests in trees. Pigeons live in cities. Some people like to feed pigeons. Opossums live in cities. They like to come out at night. Hawks live in cities. They make nests on tall buildings. Dogs live in cities. People bring them to the park. Raccoons live in cities. They take food from trash bins. Do you see animals where you live? What kinds of animals do you see?